Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will be solving this Geeks problem called sum of nodes in BST range. So we are given with the root of the binary search tree and two integers L and R. The task is to find the sum of all nodes that lie between L and R, including both L and R. So here is the tree which are given for us, and they gave two integers L and R. So we need to find the sum of the elements which lie between the range 10 and 22. I mean L and R. So if we carefully observe for this tree, our first node is 22, which is nothing but root. It come it this will come in between the L and R, nothing but 10 and 22. If we add it to sum, our sum will be 22. And uh, similarly, we will add this 12 also, because it will also lie in between 10 and 22. And then we will also add this 20, as it is also lies in between 10 and 22. And finally, we need to return the sum of these three elements, which is nothing but 54. So let me implement the Python solution for this. For this, we need to iterate over the this given tree. We can use any tree traversal techniques like pre-order, post-order, or in order. Let me use pre-order for this. So it will receive three parameters. First one is root, and I will also include L and R, nothing but the ranges given for us. At first, we need to iterate over the root in pre-order, and then left and then right. So at first I will check. Let me declare a variable called answer or sum I. So at first I need to compare the data. If root dot data greater than or equal to L, and root dot data less than or equal to R, then I need to add that data inside the sum I. So after visiting root, we need to visit the left node, and then we need to visit the right node. So I will implement the recursion here, dot left, and I will also send the parameters L and R inside the function. So remember, for recursion we need to have a base condition. Here the base condition is if the root exists. I mean root in the sense root will be traversing when we kept root dot left or root dot right, right? So if there is any root exist, then only we need to traverse. I mean then only we are supposed to do recursion. Otherwise this function recursion will break. So at last we need to have a function call here, return sum I. So if I execute this function, I will get an error saying answer is not defined. Why? Because this answer variable which we are using is not defined inside this function. I mean answer in the sense sum I variable is not declared in this function. For that we need to explicitly mention that sum I doesn't belongs to current function. It belongs to outer function. For that we have a very keyword called non-local in Python. So, I am declaring the sum variable doesn't belongs to current function like this, non-local. So if I exclude this function, let me check. I'm still getting error. Pre-order is not defined. Oh, there is a typo here. The function name is pre-order. So sample test case is executing successfully. Let me submit this solution and check. It is passing all the test cases. Thanks for watching.